what's coming, or what are the current problems with vector databases or difficulties with dealing with them?
Yeah, I think one of the biggest challenge, or one of the like the big difference between vector databases and all of the traditional databases is semantic and uncertainty. For it's kind of like large language models, right? You gave in some queries, or you gave in some prompts, right? They give you different results, and uh, for vector databases is also similar. We cannot achieve 100% accurate. It's more like you just need to find reasonable result, and how to evaluate reasonable is going to be like a big challenge for all the vector database providers. And of
Got it.
course, since vector database is we handle all these high dimensional data, right? So uh, for most of the traditional databases, they just handle strings or integers, and those data can be just compared between each other, right? But for high-dimensional data, is very hard to compare, right? For two-dimensional data, you just cannot compare which one is larger. Is it San Francisco or if it's LA, right? Because you have two different dimensions. If it's
Mhm.
become higher dimensional data, right? Then it becomes more difficult to compare. What you can do is you can find similar data, and that makes also vector database very unique. Is that you cannot use traditional index technologies. For traditional databases, they use B trees. They use all kind of like sorted data structures, helps them to accelerate. Right, when you build index, you also like try to like order all the data based on your like index case or your primary case, right? But for vector DBs, you have to use very different data structures. We use uh, graphs, we use trees, which help us to accelerate on our high dimensional data. That also like make vector DB very different.